Hello, my friends, your family doctor, Dr. AP. Oh my god, backache. Backache is so common. It's so common all over the world. I'm so I'm so much worried for the world now. Every day in the whole world, every doctor must be seeing at least one patient of backache. Backache is so common and public are spending, patients are spending lakhs of rupees in investigation, lakhs of rupees for treatment. See, my friend, so simple, yaar. Lifestyle has changed. Earlier, seriously, people used to walk, run, do exercise. But due to this new generation which is coming, and already this corona had come, people really stopped doing exercise. They lost their touch with the exercise. See, simple, yaar. If you got backache, and if your X-ray, maximum MRI is normal. See what they'll show MRI. Why we do MRI? Basically MRI is more important for TB, cancer, and any lesion in the spine. That's it. And the remaining all the findings are findings of spondylosis, spondylolisthesis. That disc has come outside. That nerve is being pressed. In India they say gap ho gaya. Oh my god. All the people are confused. They are really bichare. I really am so sad for my public all over the world. Simple yaar. Backache is muscle spasm first, second, third. Spondylosis, again the spondylosis treatment is exercise. People are sitting non-stop, full day they are working. Muscles become tight. No exercise, it becomes tight. Very common, low backache. Every person in the world will experience at least one time low backache. So common. I really see people keep on taking painkillers, acidity medicines, calcium, vitamin D, Baba. They'll say calcium has come down. Calcium. Do you think by taking calcium your backache will go away? Then they go to other pathies, Ayurvedic, homeopathic, Unani, this, that. They keep on spending money. This is the area where I get really sad. The public keep on spending money. They don't have money to spend for their family. They keep on spending money for their backache. I have got backache. Doctor says I have got gap. Doctor says it is spondylosis. They said that you have got severe problem. Very difficult. The saddest part, many people are recommended surgery. Oh my god, surgery. I am again telling you, please requesting you, avoid surgery unless and until you have got neurological problems in the lower limb. Neurological means numbness, and it is numbness, feeling, no feeling sensation, unbearable pain. If you are getting unbearable pain and you don't have any option, people have got money. People to become happy, I have got Mediclaim. As if they have won some award, Olympic award. I have got Mediclaim. And they go to the hospital and get admitted and they do surgery. Okay, fine, I can't stop them. But my duty is to explain everyone all over the world. My common people, common men, those people who really don't want to spend money. Please understand. The low backache will come, it will go. Sometimes it will come, it will take time to go. Bed rest is important, yes. Bed rest is important. Exercise is important. Physiotherapy is important. Physiotherapy means exercise, simple exercise. What is physiotherapy? Exercise. Please, it's a request to the whole world. Start walking. Do exercise every day for little time. Give time to yourself. Or else you will spend more time in the hospitals. I am telling you, if you don't give time to yourself, you will spend more time in the hospitals. You will spend more money. You will have to shell out money for investigations. Thousands and thousands of rupees for blood test, investigation. Thousands and thousands of rupees for MRI, CT scan. And in the end, result down. Painkiller you will take, you will feel good. Even I am against painkiller. I don't recommend painkiller unless and until it is excruciating pain. You don't have option and you should take painkiller. Here then hence in Ayurvedic they do massage and therapies and all. It's good. Hence people go to spa. Those people who go to spa, Panchakarma, it's good. It really helps. But it is better you walk every day. God has given 2 legs to walk. You walk every day. Wow, brilliant. Excellent. Excellent, my God. Ladies in India, oh. They don't walk. They only keep on working in the house. I am housewife. They are the people. My God, they are the main patients for backache. Main customers for backache. My God, orthopedics, they can't do anything. They keep on calling the patients, keep on coming with it because they know that this will not go, this will go and come and go always. My friends, please try to understand. If you have got backache, don't worry, let it come. If the X-ray and MRI is normal, don't worry, let it come. It will come, go. Don't worry of backache. Don't worry of backache. Keep on doing massage, do exercise, simple, do walking. My friends, please understand backache all over the world, I am telling. Because all over the world is materialistic now. Car, bike, 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler. No exercise, everywhere. Vehicle. At least give time to yourself. Don't spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees in the hospitals. And you say, wow, I have got relief now. God gives relief. Backache, your body gives relief to you. If you give time to your body will give time to you. Understand this common sense, my friends. Backache, my God, is so common. Please try to understand. My feeling, I really want everyone to get relief of this backache. It's so common. Till then, it's goodbye from Dr. AP. Thank you very much. Namaskar.